What's up, everybody? And I just wanted to talk about a clothing company that I really like, Talk Tea Productions, based out of Denver, Colorado. And what I really like about them is not only are their pieces super stylish, they're really comfortable. And as a skier in the cold weather, they're surprisingly warm. Whether it's windy or snowing or both, I feel pretty good whenever I'm wearing it. Sometimes I might have to wear a base layer with maybe a puffy underneath one of the hoodies. But besides that, they're super comfy and they're very warm. I've got 2 of their tall hoodies with just the Tall Tea logo on them. I've got a few hats and a bunch of shirts, and I actually just ordered another hoodie from them. Check them out, really awesome company, just really stylish stuff. I know that any sort of freestyle skiing, get everything that's super baggy, that's baggy as possible. And it's a really cool style. Don't go overboard. I'm only 5'6", I get like an XL, maybe a 2X, and the stuff fits me pretty well. I'll show you a few clips shortly of me skiing and wearing their stuff. If I get like a 3 or 4X, that's kind of ridiculous. If that's your style, go for it, but don't make us look bad. Right now they're doing a Super Bowl sale for 30% off with code SBLV. I don't know how long that's gonna last, so hurry up, get it while you can. They do a lot of sales throughout the year, so if you need to save a little bit of cash and you don't want to spend a ton of money, just wait for when they have a 15% off sale or something like that. It's high quality stuff. Pay for what it's worth and support their small business. They're a great company. I do plan on continuing to purchase from them because I really enjoy all the pieces that they come up with, the restocks that happen. I really like some of the stuff that goes out of stock really quickly, and I'm glad that they're able to get stuff back in stock at a pretty timely fashion. And then soon, man, I do want to get some skis. They do collaborations with ski companies, and the graphics where they collab is just amazing. They're so sick. Right now I'm skiing some Icelantic Nomad 95s, and they're 171s. So a little bit tall, but they do normally only come up with like 177s and maybe some taller ones. I might just have to bite the bullet and get the 177s at some point. Because they do have a pair of Look Pivot bindings that need to get married to some skis. Tall Tea Productions, check it out. They have this sick font, all the hoodies that I wear, and I have this super dope Guns N' Roses looking shirt that's acid washed. They don't make that one anymore. It's a long sleeve, and people always are trying to buy it off of me. Or people are just like, what does that say? Like, that's so cool. It's a super sick company. A lot of skiers wear them, but honestly, like, if you love snow sports in general, whether it's snowboarding or skiing, and you want to be stylish, just go ahead, go to their website. It'll be in the description below as well. Their shipping happens really quickly, which is awesome. It gets delivered really quick. Check them out, buy some stuff. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends about this channel. Let me know if there's anything that I can do to improve the channel, and I will see you in the next video.